You will never guess why and how I noticed that this original Moto G phone battery is swollen. You will never guess. I dare you to guess. Write it in the comments. So, I used this as a webcam for a year. Always plugged in, charging and running the IP webcam app that's free and usually broadcasts locally just on the LAN. But New Year's Eve, I decided to make it public for me to be able to monitor the temperature in my room because I had to leave and yeah, just to make sure that my grandma has heating all night. So, yeah, I made it public. And guess what? Somebody found the address and kept looking at me and kept turning on and off the LED flash. So that was fun. I quickly ripped it off the stand, turned it away, powered it off, and Then I noticed that it's slightly thicker than the average. Because usually, it's a thick phone and the shape is kind of awkwardly, yeah, kind of fat, and also the back of it that's holding in the battery, that's also rubber, so it can bend a bit. But yeah, I noticed it on the screen that the screen's backlight was leaving black spots. I mean, yeah, with less brightness. And that's how I knew that I had a real problem here. And all thanks to the hacker or whatever, the guy who found my public webcam. Otherwise, I don't know. The phone could have exploded, burst into flame, and yeah, or even worse. Now it's kind of big, but still sealed. So that's the good part. And I disconnected the phone from the charger and kept it running until the battery is depleted. So now it shouldn't be any problem. Yeah, I can rest assured that this won't explode or anything, but it can still leak some gases. So I'll have to go outside with this. That's the best way. Outside in the yard and cut off the I need this. I want to keep using this phone as a webcam or whatever because it still works with Android 5. Some things work. So I need to cut off the electronics of this battery pack so I can attach it to a new cell and keep using the phone. Without the phone, it just says that the battery is bad and won't start. So that's not an option. It really needs a battery. And this one has 4 contacts. It uses the middle two for some communication or resistors, thermistors, whatever. But the point is that you need this, the original. So yeah, you can't just replace it with any battery. You need to replace the cell and keep the protection and whatever circuitry. So I don't know what I replace it with. This is 3.8 volts, so it's slightly higher than the average lithium-ion battery. So what I'll most likely do is connect this protection to the other battery's protection. That will only be uh, like this one, maybe, which is just 3.7 volts. So this circuit will protect the battery, but this protection circuit will make sure that the phone recognizes the battery as it should. So there may be one problem if the charging stops or it doesn't stop and wants to keep charging the battery. Then I'll have to put in some external charger maybe. I connect this one directly to the battery, and then the phone doesn't try to overcharge the new cell that's lower voltage. And yeah, I'll just keep this one. Or maybe it will work even with just the charger, because this outputs 4.2 volts, hopefully. And then I just run the phone off the charger. No battery needed. Charger connected directly to the original electronics, and yeah. So this was a really lucky coincidence, and I hope I can recover the electronics safely. And yeah, let that be a lesson to you. Check all old phones if you have any at home. Discharge them if they are swollen, and dispose of them properly. Or if you still want to use them, then do an operation with a brand new cell connected up here, and hopefully it will keep working as long as you want, because these are really sturdy phones, most of them. I mean, there's no reason why you can't run it for uh, IoT applications or YouTube or whatever else. These are kind of sturdy, this part. The battery is usually shit, but the phone kind of nice, good quality, and still runs a quad core processor with 1 gig of RAM. You can still do stuff on it. So yeah, I'll maybe follow up in a video to show you how it works. And yeah, be safe.